All right, here we are at Hassen Creek Nature Trail in Macungie, Pennsylvania, and here is a nice big waterfall here at the tail end. Hi, Natalie.
Hi.
Natalie's here. Former site of the big Lehigh Portland Cement Company. There it is. Big waterfall. A little bit of a nature preserve, definitely. Alright, I'm gonna step a little closer. Ta-da! You wanna go up top? Wanna go up top? I don't go up top. What?
That's why I don't talk there. It's like down.
What?
It's not cement up, top, there. It's like how?
No, I mean up there. Like up through up there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Yeah, there we go. We're gonna go back up here. Just came down a big hill, now we're gonna go back up to this one, which is a different thing, but alright, love being out in nature. It's easy for me to walk up the hills than it is to go down, honestly. With going down, I need two hands. I wouldn't be able to film. Because it's all about the balance and the traction. Alright, speaking of balance, this is gotta be balance going up here. Alright, here we are. You good there or not? Alright.
It was cricket, but I got on top.
Alright, here we are. Alright, this isn't as exciting, but little straw-like field, open field. There is a way, well, you can walk down there, but there's not much room to walk. And then it's fenced off at the end, so we're not going to go down there. But yeah, you can see the road there. Pennsylvania is beautiful.
It's a nice place. I like it.
Yeah, Natalie likes it here. But yeah.
Because I get to be with them. Wherever Ben is my...
That's right, Natalie wants to be with me. Which is good. Alright guys, we'll leave it there. Get out and find your local nature preserve. Until next time.